Hey everyone, you're sitting at a cafe, enjoying a latte. Your friend texts you a Venmo request for their share of the dinner bill. You quickly send the money over, but then a thought pops into your head: can I actually withdraw this money? You've probably wondered this yourself. Hook. Let's dive into the world of Venmo and answer the burning question: can you withdraw from Venmo? And if so, how does it work? Understanding Venmo. Before we get into withdrawals, let's quickly understand what Venmo is. It's a peer-to-peer payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money between friends and family. It's like digital cash, but with a few extra features. The withdrawal process. Now, let's get to the main event: withdrawing from Venmo. While Venmo doesn't have a traditional withdraw button, there are a few ways to access your funds. Linking a bank account. This is the most common method. Simply link your bank account to your Venmo account. Once linked, you can transfer funds from Venmo to your bank. This is a straightforward process that usually takes a few business days. Visual: show a screen recording of linking a bank account to Venmo. Using a debit card. If you have a debit card linked to your Venmo account, you can often use it to withdraw cash from ATMs. However, there might be fees associated with these withdrawals. Visual: show a screen recording of using a debit card linked to Venmo at an ATM. Venmo debit card. Venmo offers a debit card that you can use to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. This card is linked directly to your Venmo balance, so you can access your funds immediately. Visual: show the Venmo debit card and explain its benefits. Important considerations. While withdrawing from Venmo is generally easy, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees. Some methods of withdrawal might involve fees, especially if you're using a debit card or withdrawing cash from ATMs. Check with your bank and Venmo for specific fees. Processing time. Transfers to your bank account can take a few business days. If you need immediate access to your funds, consider using a Venmo debit card. Instant transfers. Venmo also offers instant transfers to your bank account, but there might be a fee associated with this service. Security. Always prioritize security when using Venmo. Protect your account information and enable two-factor authentication. Conclusion. So, can you withdraw from Venmo? Absolutely. There are several methods available to access your funds, from linking a bank account to using a Venmo debit card. Choose the method that best suits your needs and keep in mind the associated fees and processing times. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, Venmo is a convenient way to send and receive money, and understanding how to withdraw your funds is essential.